LOW miles. Runs like new. 1998 Honda Accord LX with clean Carfax, local trade, non-smoker, cruise control, power locks, dual battery, dual front impact airbags, power door mirrors, and power windows. If you want an amazing deal on an amazing car that will not break your pocketbook, then take a look at this gas-saving 1998 Honda Accord. New car test drive said. Those who buy a Honda Accord should enjoy many years of pleasant, trouble-free motoring, important qualities for great family cars. With the low mileage and meticulous upkeep on this Accord, you can count on hearing the purr of its engine for years to come.